Hey guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok Covent Garden. It's Wok Wednesdays once again, and this week it's kind of like a street food noodle dish, Dan Noodles. Really popular. I hope you like it. So I'm going to start with the sesame base, get that ready before I do anything else, and it's kind of like then setting up a street stand of noodle dish. So your sesame paste. If you can't find sesame paste or Chinese sesame sauce, it's kind of like Chinese tahini. You can swap it out with a smooth peanut butter. That works really well too. And this is 100% sesame. And you can see how much paste in there. I'm going for about 2 tablespoons of the paste, so that's pretty much there already. I'll get a little bit more. I like this nice and sort of nutty in flavour. So saltiness from some light soy sauce. And I want a slight sour, but not too much. So it's more of a savoury, sour balancing trick. So this is Qingqiang black vinegar. I'm going for a teaspoon of that. And that should interact with my sugar. Teaspoon of that to balance out the sour, and then my homemade chili oil, which keeps making an appearance, which I'm incredibly satisfied about. So good stuff, and a bit of the red oil if you can. Give that a good melt through. So if you find that the paste is almost too thick, we are going to use chicken stock anyway in the dish, so you can just thin it out with a little bit of chicken stock. So it's street food noodles, everything's kind of set up if you imagine it on the back of a truck. Get some finely chopped ginger and garlic, really finely minced up. And we're going to marinate your pork mince. Again, a cheap cut, anything kind of a little bit fatty if you can. Marinade, simple. Light soy sauce, sesame oil, a little bit of chili powder for that colour, some white pepper. Give it a good mix. Once that's marinated, we're going to stir fry the pork mince with the ginger and the garlic. And then we've got this sumi Ya Cai, which is the Sichuanese Ya Cai, or pickled vegetable, really finely chopped up. That's going to add this sort of nice salty pickly flavour to it. Next up, a quick stir fry of your pork and your Ya Cai with that dark soy sauce for colour. You want to get that sort of sauce or moisture evaporated, excuse me, and then we're going to start to fry your Ya Cai through as well. And that should hit the wok straight away, and really you'll smell it immediately. But you want to get the liquid out of the pork first. Now I can hear it sizzling more again, so that means that the moisture's come out. So the oil from that pork is there, sitting ready to fry off my vegetables. So my pickled vegetable into the wok. Gonna get some colour into that with a dash of dark soy. So our pork and pickled veg topping is now ready. So once everything's set up, you're pretty much ready to go. This could all be pre-prepared. This last bit is all about that last bit of cooking to finish off your meal. You're blanching. We're going to blanch your noodles first. So a minute, once the noodles start floating, they're fresh egg noodles rather than dry noodles. You can use dry noodles as well, but either way, your dry noodles need to be prepared first. Blanch it, floating to the top, ready, straight into the bowl. I've got some beautiful bright green choy sum here, 2 or 3 pieces per person. Straight in again, 1 to 2 minutes, and once that's translucent sort of grey-green colour and the stem appears, then that vegetable is ready. Don't overcook it. I'm just going to add a ladle-less chicken stock into your vegetables and noodles and just bring that sort of peanutty sesame paste out from the base. Show that flavour off in the noodle soup. Your pork mince still nice and warm. Your spring onion and your coriander, and give it a good mix through. I like loads of spring onion and coriander to garnish, but also to add a punch of flavour. Ladle your mix on top of your noodles, a little bit more stock just to sort of revive that dish, and then top it with some peanuts if you wish. Last but not least, a little drizzle of chili oil just to accentuate the colour. When you dig it into your noodles, remember that base flavour or that sesame paste. It's always good to give it a good mix through. Whoa, I'm excited. It's a deep, savoury flavour. And the saltiness of the preserved vegetable really adds a kick. That base of chili oil, oh, that's hit me. A warming Dan Noodles, the way it should be. If you like these videos and you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.